Here is a BBC advertisement.
I've got something new that'll make you listen to make people happy all day. It's Radio 1 on 247 to chase all your worries away. So stay tuned in and you get the message about what we're trying to say. It's fun all the time and lots of music the DJs are trying to play. Oh,
two for the price of one. That's the BBC's aim with the introduction of Radios 1 and 2. On Radio 1, it's pop for the swingers. On Radio 2, many of the new shows along with the regular light programme favourites. September the 30th is bargain day on Radios 1 and 2.
Hey, tune to your radio and keep on listening. Great things are going to be. Everybody's waiting for the wireless station while they come and listen with me. The 247 on your transistor radio, bound to be a bundle of fun. So tell all your friends about the brand new happening station called Radio 1. Hey!